In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in M&T online banking. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in this link www.mtb.com/log-in. Press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find two options: M&T online banking, M&T commercial treasury center. What you have to do is simply click on this option, M&T online banking. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of M&T online banking. Simply wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be able to log into your account. What you have to do is simply enter your user ID over here. Click on the field of user ID and enter the user ID. If you need any help with your user ID, click on this option, get help with your user ID, and you'll be able to get it. If you want this browser to remember the user ID, check on this box, remember user ID. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. Now in another interface, what you have to do is simply enter your password. Go ahead and enter your password. If you have enabled any two-factor authentication, you'll also have to go through the authentication process. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in M&T online banking. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.